Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the early morning vlog. Appreciate your time and your support. What I'm going to be doing this morning is playing a free non-copyright tune from a gentleman that goes by the name of KV. I use his music a lot in my videos, and I got to tell you, man, this gentleman, this young man is blessed. He's got a talent. Now, if you have a YouTube channel and you're monetized, and you want to use his music, and you want to keep your videos monetized, all you have to do is copy and paste the information to the music into the description area of your video, and your video will stay monetized. If you don't, and you're using his music or anybody else's music that puts up free non-copyright music, if you don't, you'll get demonetized. So just honor the creator. Early on, I didn't do this. I didn't understand all that this entailed, this information. It's about doing your homework. It's about getting smarter on my part and honoring those who take the time to create content like I do. And if you're going to be using their content, you have to give them due respect. KV, huge shout out, man. I got to tell you, this guy is just amazing. So what I want to do is introduce his new song. It's called Tension. I'm going to play it, and I mean, it's not going to sound the best, but, you know, for me it is here in the car. But we'll see how the Google Pixel Fold picks it up and how it lands in your ears as you're listening to it. Yeah, if you're a content creator and you're looking for some good music, check out KV. I'll leave a link down below in the description along with the song Tension, because I don't want to get demonetized. But I just feel like from time to time I want to do this for him, because he's been very gracious in staying connected with me away from the channel, and he's just a very nice young man, nice young gentleman, again, who's been blessed. God has blessed him with a talent that he's able to share with others. But again, copy and paste the information if you're going to use his music in your videos, and show him how you honor him by sharing his content with others. So without further ado, KV, Tension. I'm going to turn it up here, and here we go. there, folks. KV, Tension. I do have it on repeat. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit now. Have it playing in the background. Again, a huge shout out to KV, man. The guy is just amazing. Just simply amazing. And when you hit that link, you're going to see all of his music. You can support him. You can head over to all the different links that he has to share with you, so you can contribute, support, share. There's so many different areas that you can support this young man in what he loves to do. This is his love. This is his life, and you can support him. You can buy him a coffee. All right, everybody. God bless you all. Thanks for taking the time. Peace. I'm out.